What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to discuss about Revit Structure 2024. Okay, so the first topic that we will be doing is I'm gonna show you how to import a CAD file into Revit. So this is a common process that allows you to bring external drawings created in software like AutoCAD into your Revit project. Okay, so this can help you leverage existing information and streamline your workflow. Okay, so let's do this step by step. So the first thing that we will be doing, so let's say we're going to start our project. So we are going to import our CAD file. For example, that is what we're going to do. So I'm going to create a new project here. So you click that icon, new, and then from the template file, so let's select here structural template. And then make sure you are creating a new project here. And then after that, you just select OK. Okay, and then after that, from the Insert tab, so let's look for Import CAD. You actually have two options here. So you have Link CAD, and then we have Import CAD. Okay, so Revit offers two options for bringing CAD files. Okay, so we have the CAD import and then we have the CAD link. So what's the difference? So if you use the link CAD, so this option creates a link to the CAD file. So any changes that you made to the CAD file in its original software will be reflected in Revit when you update the link. Okay, so if you use this option. Now, the other option here is Import CAD. So this option embeds the CAD geometry directly into the Revit project. So changes that you made to the original CAD file won't affect the imported geometry in Revit. Okay, so it's up to you. So you can choose the option that suits your project's needs. So let's say for this one, I'm going to use Link CAD. Okay, so let's select Link CAD. Alright, and then I'll be using this CAD drawing here. So that's an AutoCAD drawing, DWG file. Okay, and then before that, so we have several options here. So as you can see, the file type there, DWG, the file name. Okay, and then you also have an option here, current view only. So that means if you select current view only, you will only see this CAD drawing in your current view. Our current view right now is level 2. So if this is checked, so we can only see that in level 2. Alright, so we'll not be able to see that in other views. So if you're going to uncheck that, so we can see that in other view. And then you can also specify here the colors. So we have here black and white, invert. So when you say invert, light colors will becomes dark colors, and dark colors will becomes light colors. Okay, and then you also have here the layers. You can specify the layers there, specify the imports units, and also the positioning. And then you also have here placement. And then you also have here orient to view. Okay, so for this exercise, I'll just use here black and white. And then the rest, I'll just use the default settings. Okay, so I'll just select here open. Alright, and then for this one, I'm going to select the elevation symbol. Elevation symbol is this one here. Okay, this elevation symbol that you are seeing here, this is the elevation of the CAD drawing. So we will not be able to select this individually because this is part of the CAD drawing. So if I'm going to enable select links, since this is a link model, because at the moment, I cannot select the link model, right? Even if I use crossing selection or window selection. So I cannot select because this is disable. So if you enable this one, it allows you to select the links and their elements. So if I'm going to turn on this one, you can also turn it on here. So it's the same. So this option here, you click the drop down arrow, So that's the one. So select links or this icon here. So it's the same. So just enable that, and then as you can see, I can now select the CAD drawing. Okay. So after I select the CAD drawing, so I'll just need to pin that one because I do not want to move my CAD drawing accidentally. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to select now the elevation here, like that one, the north elevation. So I'm just going to drag that and put it there. So I'm using window selection. Window selection is from left to right. Crossing selection is from right to left. Okay, so just use window selection, that one. What else? Okay, so this one also. So window selection, I'll just put it here, and then this one, and then I'll just put it here. All right, so that's it. So let's have a look in 3D view. So this is how it looks like in 3D view. You see it's placed on our level 2, so that's our CAD drawing. Okay, so basically that's how you import, and same procedure if you want to import your CAD drawing. Okay, so that's it for this simple video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.